a wonderful time to invest in big caps, but is it time to put some money to work in the small caps? Joining us now to talk about that is Matt Shapiro. He is president of MWS Capital. Good to see you on the show this morning.
Thanks, Angie.
Do you like the small cap sector here, Matt?
Well, I do, and it's always a part of the portfolios. And remember, Angie, when the Russell 2000 was the hottest thing ever?
I
do. This year it hasn't done anything, and what's hot now is that tight string of the prime large caps, the Googles, the Amazons, Gilead, that honestly are leading the charge in the S&P 500. But as you've seen, the Dow has not done as well, and a lot of actually small cap funds have completely been overlooked, and some of them are actually down for the year. So I do think investors should maybe take a look at the small caps, which are getting cheaper.
What stock individually in the small cap sector would you want to own right now?
Invest in what you would like, unless you do a mutual fund. One example is a company called Crane Corporation. Stock symbol is CR, and it's kind of a mini industrial cyclical company. Viewers obviously know I like these kind of companies. So Crane is in lots of fluid handling and hydraulics that go on, for instance, the 787 Dreamliner, stuff that goes in buildings, fiberglass and composites, even vending machines. So it's a little mini conglomerate. I mean, it has good profitability, pays almost 2% dividend, and its forward PE is only 13. So think of it below market. But of course, the sun hasn't really shined on the small caps so far this year.
Would you be a buyer of the Russell?
I would. I think this diversified basket of smaller companies is going to do well over time. And, theoretically, those stocks have a higher required rate of return. So they did great last year. 2014 is a little off. But, as the market rises, people are going to search for that extra little growth and a part of this market that hasn't participated so far and is due for, yet another leg higher.
Thank you, Matt, for coming on.
You're welcome.